Visa Card Lock allows credit and debit card users to lock their card in the event it is lost or stolen. To lock or unlock a card in the mobile app, tap on the name of the Visa credit card or checking account. Then tap Visa Card Controls. On the Visa Card Control screen, you can tap on the unlock text or icon to lock the selected card. Returning to this section and clicking the lock text or red lock icon will unlock the selected card. You can select a different card to adjust the PIN or lock the card by swiping on the card's left or right. Card Lock is also available within Computer Line. To view Card Lock, click the plus icon to the left of a checking or a Visa to expand that section. Next, click Card Controls. Within the Card Controls menu, click the unlocked icon on the right side to lock that card. Click this icon again to unlock this card. Please note, you can also select a different card from the drop-down menu. Keep your card secure and try our Card Lock feature today.